Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr, and I am inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello! Ang pag-uusapan natin today is about estimation and rounding off. So, paano ba tayo makakapag-estimate kung marami tayong kailangang i-compute? So, that's why we will talk about this topic. Okay? Alright, so first, let's see if you can answer these two problems that I have here. Okay? If yes, then it's good because meron na kayong skills how to estimate using round off. Okay? Estimation. It's just a rough guess or calculation. So, it's not the exact or accurate answer. So, bakit tayo nag-estimate? Because we want to just solve it quickly or wala tayong enough time or we just want to solve it mentally. So, before we can do estimation, we need first to learn how to do rounding off. Kasi gagamitin natin yan later when we get the estimated sum, difference, quotient, and product. Okay? Okay, so I have here 458,612. So, let's review yung place value ng bawat isa. Okay? Si 2, that is ones. 1, that is tens. Si 6, that is hundreds. 8, that is thousands. Si 5, 10,000s. And si 4, 100,000s. Okay? So, gagamitin natin yan later when we do rounding off. Okay? Okay, when we do rounding off, let's be reminded that if yung number na katabi niya sa kanan is 5 and above, we will do round up. It means mag-a-add tayo ng 1. Okay? Example. So, let's round off the 458,612 to the nearest tens. Diba ang tens dun sa numbers na yan is 1. So, yung katabi ni 1 is 2. So, dahil si 2 below 5, ang gagawin natin, i-retain natin si 1, and then yung 2 magiging 0. So, the 458,612, when we round it off to the nearest tens, will become 4,058,610. Next, let's round it off to the nearest hundreds. Dun sa number natin, ang hundreds is 6, right? So, yung katabi ni 6 is 1. So, dahil si 1 ay below 5, i-retain natin si 6, and then si 1 at saka si 2 magiging 0 parehas. So, the 458,612, when we round it off to the nearest hundreds, it will become 458,600. Okay, round off to the nearest thousands. So, ang thousands natin dun sa number na yon is 8. So, since ang katabi ni 8 sa kanan is 6, 6 is more than 5, therefore, madadagdagan ng isa yung 8. Okay, then magiging 9 siya. Tapos, yung 6, 1, 2, magiging 0 lahat ng yun. So, when we round off the 458,612 to the nearest thousands, it will become 459,000. Next, round off to the nearest 10,000s. So, ang 10,000s natin dyan is 5. Yung katabi ni 5 is 8. Dahil mas mataas sa 5 yung 8, so dadagdagan natin ng isa yung 5. Therefore, magiging 6 siya. So, when we round off the number to the nearest thousands, it will become 460,000. Next, round off to the nearest 100,000s. So, our 100,000s dyan is 4. At ang katabi ni 4 is 5. Since equal siya sa 5, so magdadagdag tayo ng isa kay 4, so magiging 5 siya. So, when we round it off to the nearest 100,000s, it will become 500,000s. Alright, since alam na natin kung paano mag-round off, mas madali na lang mag-estimate ng sum, difference, quotient, at ng product. So in this example, I have here 89 plus 54. So, i-round off natin siya to the nearest 10. So, yung 89 magiging 90. Yung 54 magiging 50. And then, let's add them. So, ang sagot natin is 140. So, mas madali na siyang i-add. Kasi, ibababa mo lang yung 0 and then i-add mo lang yung 9 and 5. Right? So, kung i-add mo siya nang hindi siya ni-round off, ang sagot lang dyan is 143. Eh, di ba kapag ni-round off mo yung 143 to the nearest 10, the answer is just 140. So, same lang din naman yung lalabas. Okay? Pero mas madaling i-add kapag naka-round off na yung mga addends natin. Now, kapag subtraction naman, same lang yung magiging number na 90 and 50, we will just minus it. So, the answer is 40. Kung hindi mo siya ni-round off, 89 minus 54, the answer is 35. Eh, di ba pag ni-round off mo yung 35 to the nearest 10, the answer lang din is 40. So, pinapadali lang natin yung pag-compute or pag-solve. Okay, so here, we will round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. So, I have 328 plus 199. So, the 328 will become 300, and the 199 will become 200. So, let's add the 300 and 200. So, the estimated sum is 500. Now, let's get the estimated difference. So, since I have 300 and 200, let's minus them. So, the answer is 100. Okay, this time, let's round off our numbers to the nearest thousands. So, I have here 6,289 plus 3,761. So, the 6,289, since yung katabi ng thousands natin is 2, so si 6 retain lang natin siya. So, the 6,289 will become 6,000. Si 3,761, since yung 1,000 natin is 3 at ang katabi niya is 7, 7 is more than 5, so yung 3 madadagdagan ng isa. So, 3,761, when we round it off to the nearest thousands, that will become 4,000. So, add na natin yung 6,000 at 4,000, then we have now 10,000. So, kung kukunin natin yung estimated difference, i-minus lang din natin si 6,000 tsaka si 4,000. So, the answer is 2,000. Okay, so let's estimate the product. So, in this case, I have 253 times 17. So, i-round off natin siya to the nearest 10. So, 253 will become 250 and 17 will become 20. So, and then let's multiply. 'Di ba? Pag mas madali mag-multiply kung puro 0 na kasi idadagdag lang natin 'yun sa sagot. So, ang i-multiply na lang natin is si 25 tsaka si 2. So, 25 times 2, that is 50. Tapos yung dalawang 0 na nandoon sa factors natin, idagdag na lang natin. So, 50, dagdagan ng dalawang 0, it will become 5,000. Okay? Next, so we have here 311 times 31. So, ganun ulit, i-round off natin to the nearest 10. So, yung 311 magiging 300. And then yung 31 magiging 30. So, since you have 3 zeros, idadagdag na lang natin yan kung i-multiply natin yung 3 times 3. The answer is 9, di ba? So, idagdag natin yung tatlong 0. So, the answer is 9,000. Okay, let's estimate the quotient. So, first, we need to round it off to the nearest tens. So, yung 47 natin magiging 50. Then, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Then, we have 25. Yung 62, it will become 60. Then, let's divide it by 3. Then, the answer is 20. Next, estimate the quotient, but this time, let's round it off to the nearest hundreds. So, yung 241, magiging 240 divided by 2, and then we have 120. 899 divided by 3. So 899 will become 900 and then divided by 3. So the answer is 300. So mas madali mag-divide kung naka-round off yung dividend natin. Practice time. So again, just copy the questions and then answer it on your own. Then check nyo na lang yung work nyo dito. Okay? Round off to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. So copy first the question, do it on your own, and then just check your work here. Okay? Okay, so just circle the best estimated sum of the given numbers. First one is done as an example. Estimate the sum or difference by rounding each number to the nearest 10. Estimate the product by rounding each number to the nearest tens. Last one.